Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about how to find multiplication of two matrices or how to multiply two matrices along with its condition. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So the condition for product of two matrices is as follows. So the condition is number of columns of first matrix, it must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then and only then you can multiply two matrices. So if they have given you matrix A with order 2 by 3, and if they have given you matrix B with an order 3 by 2, okay, so in this case you can see that these are number of columns of first matrix. So this is first matrix and number of rows of second matrix. So we can see that both are equal. So we can write 3 is equal to 3 and given condition is satisfied. Hence we can directly solve the given matrix. Now let's see how to solve this matrix. Okay. So our given matrices are A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. And B is 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 2, and they have asked us to find AB. AB means multiplication of this two matrices. So condition for multiplication is first we have to check the orders of this matrices. So order of this is 2 rows and 3 columns, and order of this matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. As we have seen that number of columns of this must be equal to number of rows of this, which is 3 and 3. So these two are equal. Hence we can say multiplication of these two matrices are possible. Okay. So we can write AB is equal to, so given matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. And given matrix B 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 2. So the order of AB will be 2 by 2. Now how it comes, let us see. So multiplication is like this: first row with first column and first row with second column. After that second row with first column and second row with second column. How it goes, we'll see. So this first row with this first column, first we'll write that. So 1 into 1, so here we'll write 1 into 1. Next 2 into 3, so it will be plus 2 into 3, and third is 3 into 4, so plus 3 into 4. So we have completed first row and first column. Now first row and second column. Okay, so it will be 1 into 0. Next will be 2 into 5. So here it is 2 into 5. And third is 3 into 2. So plus 3 into 2. So now we have completed second row and second column. Now we'll move to second row. So second row and first column in this case. So second row is 4 into 1. So this will be 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3. So 5 into 3, and last is 0 into 4 plus 0 into 4. Now second row first column completed. Now second row and second column. So that is 4 into 0 plus second is 5 into 5. And last one is 0 into 2. So you can see that after solving you will get 4 elements. Okay, hence order of this matrix will be 2 by 2. So just we'll solve this. So this is 1 plus 6 plus 12. This will be 0, 5 2s are 10 plus 6. Next will be 4 plus 5 3s are 15 and 0, and this will be 0, 5 5s are 25 and 0. That is, after solving it will be 6 plus 12 is 18 plus 1 is 19. this will be 16, this will be 19, and this will be 25, which is of order 2 into 2. Okay, so this was basic multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. You can try more numericals, so your concept will be more clear. Hope so all your concepts related to multiplication of matrices or product of matrices are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.